In this video, I will show you how you can create Google Forms to collect data from your user so that you can analyze that data for some purpose. So for that, first of all, you have to go to Google and then write here Google Forms. You will see this link, just click on it, and as you can see, it will automatically be signed in with the Gmail you have signed in with on your Google Chrome account. So first of all, you can create a blank form or a party invite, contact information, RSVP, t-shirt sign up, or event registration. You can create any one of them or just custom one. So if you click on blank form, a custom form will be appear. Now you have to first of all write the heading of your form. For example, I write here student form. STUD. Then you can also bold any of the word by just clicking B, and then you can write a description of your form. Like I write here, this is student form which is necessary for every student to fill. Then you have option here. Now you have to select the type of question you want for your user to fill. Like if you write here short answer, the user have to fill just input box, which is a text type like your name. So your name is actually a one line answer, so it will be a short answer. If you want to make it required, just turn this on and add another one. So as you can see, there is a red static here, which means this field is compulsory for user to fill. Then we have a paragraph type. For example, if you want your user to type something in a paragraph, then you use this type of field. So the home address is usually wrong. Then we have to click on another one. You can make this one compulsory or required as you want. And then we have another type, multiple choice. So if I want to know the gender of my user, then there will be an option of male, and then if I add another option, it's female, then I can add another option. So this is how you can add the multiple choice, and you can make this one required. You can make any of the field required if you want. Then add another field. Now a checkbox. The difference between a checkbox and a multiple choice is that the user can select the one of the choices in this radio button, but if there is a checkbox, user can choose more than one. Like subjects, though, user can select multiple subjects like mathematics. So this is another type of field. Now add another one. Here you can see there is a drop down option. So this field will allow user to select one of the options in a drop down field. For example, if I write class, like one of the option is BS computer science, another one is BS software engineering, another one is BS information technology. And then select another field. There is an option file upload. Here, if you want your user to upload like some file or let's say picture, then you have to tell this field which type of file you want your user to upload. Like if you enable this, you will have options like I want image file of user, and then maximum number of file will be 1, and the memory size will be 10 MBs. And let make this every field require. So after that, you can see your form has been created. Now you need to view this. Just click here to view this, and this is how if you send your this form to any of your student or user, so this is how it will look like. Now to send this, you have to just click on send, and here you can send on Facebook, Twitter, or through email, or here you have a link. You have option to shorten the link, and this is the link. If you send it on your WhatsApp or wherever you want to share it, whenever user will click on this, it will redirect your user to this form. And after filling this form, here you can see there is an option of responses. So here in this tab, you can see all the responses of your user, and if you want to link the sheet, you can just click here and give the title to your field, like student responses. So now create this one, and the link is created. So now the data user is going to fill will be in this Google Sheet format as well, and Google Form format as well, and all the analytics will be shown here as a pie chart and other graph. So that's how you can create Google Form. And this is all for the today's video, and make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.